This is Buck Creek 302. You're looking at a Kershaw Oblivion. Found the name out here this morning. Right there, look, it's right by the belt clip. I missed that last night in the showing. Right there, but it's got a little finger groove right there, see it? Finger slips right there. Great response, great click. Let's see what kind of snap we got here. It's got heavy springs in it. Right there. It's got the belt clip, lanyard loop. But this is a Kershaw Oblivion. Right there. And guess what? I just found that out also. The belt clip will go left to right. Right there with the lanyard loop. That's a thing I missed last night. So I'm glad I did it over again. But right there, Kershaw Oblivion. It's a great knife. If you like these little shorts, like, share, and subscribe. This is Buck Creek 302. I'm gone.